talk about the short and stout. You can have the fat papa you've been talking about. Let me tell you about a guy from Bam. He's a mighty hungry man, whatever. Find him on the avenue. Dig this cat, I'm telling you. He's 7'2" with a size 12 shoe. Boy, he's long, neat, and lanky. Now watch that cat, how he cuts the rug, jumping like a jitterbug. He's loaded with pep, don't miss a step. Boy, he's long, neat, and lanky. Hey, baby's not like Mr. 5x5. Nay, that cat's a killer, just in as he is small. Back he's got no whip at all the chicks join in at his command. Put their hearts right in his hand. You hear them all crying, my, what a man. And he's long, neat, and lanky. He's in there really swinging, and you should really feed that cat. He's long, lean, and lanky. Digging, that cat's alive and swinging. Ain't for no child, just feed that cat. He's long, lean, and lanky. Not like Mr. 5x5. Nay, 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 nay. Just in as he is small. Doodly 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 doodly. Hey, boo up, boo up, up.